The last thing I want to show you is where you can manage your snapshots, because OpenClaw can actually reconfigure its server environment, and occasionally things can break. Let's first return to Hostinger, and under VPS, choose Manage, and then Backups and Monitoring on the left side menu. If you didn't choose Daily Backups when you first signed up, you'll notice a banner at the top offering to upgrade here for $3 a month. This is the same option I skipped during the initial setup to keep the cost down, because you can always upgrade here if you want that added protection at any time. By default, you're on a weekly backup schedule, which you can see at the bottom of this section. If you're going to make a big change in your setup though, I'd recommend taking a manual snapshot first. To do that, scroll down to the snapshot section, and then click Create Snapshot. This captures the current state of your entire VPS, including files, configuration, and system settings. If anything breaks after a change, you can restore right back to this point. So I'll click Create. After a few moments, you'll see your snapshot created. It will show the created date, the expiration date, and the time to restore. When you want to restore, just click this button right here. Now, if you ever want to start completely from scratch, you can do that too. Over on the left, return to Docker Manager, then click the 3 dots next to your OpenClaw project, and click Delete. Confirm the deletion here. Once that's deleted, if you want to spin up a new OpenClaw project, click Catalog over on the left. Then search for OpenClaw. Select it, and that will bring you right back to a similar onboarding flow that we went through at the very beginning of the video. Just keep in mind that redeploying will generate a brand new OpenClaw gateway token, so make sure you save this like we've done before.